Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving control. Sign into the account on the primary device and verify two-factor authentication. You also export or backup conversations so nothing is lost. This is crucial because disabling encryption can change stored data access. Once done, close other active sessions to prevent conflicts and make sure the app is updated to the latest release. Then open the app's security or privacy settings. This is where the encryption toggle or key management options live. Proceed to the next step. You now change the encryption mode. Find the end-to-end or message encryption toggle and read the brief warning so you know the consequences. If the app uses keys, export current keys for recovery, then revoke or replace them as required. This step explains why keys matter, because they control who can decrypt messages. Once you update the setting, re-authenticate devices and remove any unrecognized devices from trusted lists. Make sure to save the new configuration and restart the app to apply changes. You finish by verifying. Send controlled test messages to each device and watch their delivery indicators so you can confirm messages are no longer encrypted end-to-end. Once done, check app logs or security status screens for errors and ensure backups remain intact so you can roll back if needed. If you encounter delivery failures or unexpected behavior, re-enable encryption or restore your exported backup, then reevaluate key management. This troubleshooting tip prevents permanent data loss and returns you to a known, secure state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.